Born in Minneapolis, Chuck Doyle Jr. has lived a life inseparable from aviation. He grew up immersed in the state's rich flying heritage. His first airplane ride at age 6 was in a P-51 Mustang, an experience that set the course for a lifetime in the sky. On his 16th birthday, he soloed in a Piper PA-18 Super Cub at Southport Airport. Countless professional aviators credit him as their earliest inspiration. His generosity has reached people in moments of joy and moments of hardship, offering a confidence-building cockpit tour to a struggling young pilot, giving an elderly man his final flight he would cherish for the rest of his life, donating rides to charity events, and bringing cheer to Minnesota communities with sky-written hearts and smiley faces during the pandemic. Respected equally as a pilot, restorer, mentor, and friend, Chuck Doyle Jr. has spent his entire life advancing Minnesota aviation. His passion, humility, and generosity have influenced generations. His name has become synonymous with aviation in Minnesota, and his impact on the community is immeasurable.